I want to thank all my new subscribers by doing an unboxing video of this new guy that just arrived fresh from Shenzhen. This is the Furibee F90 Wasp. This is the DSM version. It's a BNF. It's set up for spectrums. It's got the SP Racing F3 Evo. I'm familiar with that. Blind your remote control. The blinding process. Have solder wadded up on my charging cord. I'm sure someone makes a brace for this. I might get one of those. This is a little flexible. That must be how it goes. Shout out to everyone who subscribed. If I didn't subscribe you back, make sure to hit me in the comments and I'll get you back.